Welcome to Brain Vision.
Our question says that if you begin walking along one of Earth's lines of longitude and walked north until you had changed latitude by 1 minute of arc, there are 60 minutes per degree, how far would you have walked in miles? This is a distance called nautical miles. So we're going to utilize the fact that walking completely around the Earth along the meridian would trace out a full circle which is 360 degrees, and that would be equal to the circumference of the Earth. Okay, so I went ahead here and wrote down what was given, which is the distance is 1 minute. That's what we're walking. And 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And then I also wrote down the radius of the Earth, which is 6.38 times 10 to the third kilometers, because we're going to need to use that. And the question is, what's the distance in miles, right? We want to find the distance in miles, and we know it in minutes. So it also, as I previously mentioned, we're going to utilize the fact that 360 degrees is one complete walk around the Earth, which is equal. So 360 degrees is equal to the circumference of the Earth, which is equal to 2 pi times the radius of the Earth. Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead and start working our conversion. So we're going to start out with what we know, which is the distance is equal to 1 minute. Okay. And we're going to multiply that by our conversion from minutes to degrees. Okay. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes of arc. Okay. Now that we have it in minutes of arc, we want to now that we have it in degrees, we want to convert that to degrees into meters. And we know the conversion from degrees into meters. It's and we know that based upon the circumference of the Earth, because 2 pi times the radius of the Earth, which is 6.38 times 10 to the third kilometers. Write that out. Is our circumference, 2 pi times 6.38 times 10 to the third kilometers, and that is the equivalent to 360 degrees around the Earth. Okay, so now if we carry out this operation, we have it from units of minutes now into units of kilometers, but we're asked for units of miles. So the last thing we're going to do is convert this to units of miles by using the fact that 0.621 miles is in every kilometer. Okay, and if you carry this out and type all this into your calculator, you will have 1.15 miles as your distance. And box that in as our solution.